Hello guys, today I'm going to show Clash of Clans hacks. Okay, you need root explorer and you need the rooted phone. Okay, going to data and data, searching Clash of Clans map, local Clash of Clans, update, CV and build hack. Let's copy here. Okay, go to Clash of Clans. Shit. Okay. 1 minute. Look. Wow. You can have. Please subscribe and like. Guys. Great. Okay. Goodbye.